Cold calling on steroids is a life-changing and such a business-changing opportunity. To be able to go out there and get leads on demand, I can click a button and have a seller calling me back and leaving me a voicemail saying, Josh, I don't know how you knew I was interested in selling my home, but yeah, please give me a call back. Within minutes, we get more deals out of cold calling on steroids per month by 10x of what we do in direct mail, and we're spending upwards of $10,000 every single month on direct mail. There's nothing else like this. There's nothing else that can get you leads that fast, that profitable, and most importantly, that cheap. And a lot of the gurus out there are gonna tell them, that's all right, double down, spend more, do more direct mail, but more direct mail is not gonna solve the problem. You wanna do it the right way. You wanna get leads down cheap, you wanna have them coming into your voicemail box within minutes, and you wanna be getting more deals than anybody else in town. Look, you guys see it all the time. I post all over social media. Where are these deals coming from? And I'm not working out past 5 o'clock. I'm not out on appointments on the weekends. We just know how to make the leads come in and do it affordably so that we can scale this business. And I want to show you the exact same thing. So do not miss out on the opportunity to join the Cold Calling on Steroids private masterclass.